In this class, I am going to define how to perform delete operation with controller, model and views through MVC. Okay, we have completed all operations and one operation is remaining, its name delete. We perform how to create, how to read, how to update, how to delete in this class. So now I'm going to perform delete operation. Just click on delete, it will be deleted complete record right here. Just click on delete, you can see record has been deleted. Okay, how this perform all operation through codeigniter framework. Let's just check it out. Model, view and control. This is our view and let's just check what's our models and controller and how these operations are performed through. Okay, come here and you just see here when we click on delete button, okay, into our user list, it's our view and views and user list. In front page we have a button with ID. Okay, when I click on delete, it delete ID number and complete record with ID number. It's a unique. So come right here, you can see here it display user ID. Okay, whatever ID on whatever row we will click on delete button. Okay, the label of button is delete in red color. Okay, now I'm going to define the operations of delete. In controller, you can see here we have a function with name delete with regarding ID. For suppose I am going to delete 4 record and complete row with ID number 4, then what happened? The ID number 4 store is here and user model call a function named delete user. Okay, you can see here at the bottom we have delete user function. In this function we perform where class user id is equal to whatever id is stored into this variable. Okay, name id, then perform, then return what? Return delete users. Okay, where our id or our row number store on this id number. All right, now come to the users and what happen into users. You can see it calls id, then it execute query. If this query goes right, then perform this condition. Okay, in this condition what happened? This condition redirect to base url on index. Okay, for suppose I'm going to disable this line and save this and come back. I am clicking on delete. You can see it gives us a error, and error definition says that it gives us an error server notice and message is undefined variable query. You can see it says that query is not executing. Okay, for suppose I enable this and refresh it. Let me just save it first with Ctrl S and refresh it again, and row has been deleted because query has been successfully executed into our users.php file. Alright, it's enough for today. I hope you enjoyed a lot and you learned crude operation with MVC through codeigniter framework. Okay, I did my best to explain everything. I explained how to create through add form, and I also explain how to edit the record and display record on this with ID number, and I also explain this how this record will delete through crude operation. Okay, I also defined at the starting of this course how to install codeigniter framework and add a external file, add a designing and how these MVC operations are performed, and I also explained what the benefits of framework, PHP framework, and what is the benefit of MVC. Okay, take care, goodbye.